Some people say I play too much.
They say my lashes are too long.
As if applying mascara on the go isn't a championship sport.
Like an 8-step skincare routine 30,000 feet in the air is easy.
This is my kind of me time. My kind of adventure, a solo mission.
It can even be a team sport.
But it's about more than finding the perfect blush.
It's about being exactly who I am all of the time.
This is what I'm good at. It's my favorite hobby.
Some people play music.
Some people play video games. Some people play basketball. I play beauty.
I play beauty, and IPSY is my playground.